and educators, we are all aware of the pivotal role that a good educational institute plays in molding the students to become respectable and caring citizens of tomorrow. Here in Rama International School, our vision is to work in tandem with our parents, students and teachers to create an openness of mind, dignity and conduct and natural respect. Our endeavor is and will always be to channelize each child's creativity such that the thirst for knowledge is ignited and every child looks forward with a smile to every new day in school. I would really like to warmly welcome our chief guest, Mr. James Whitten, Dean of Academics at Noida International University. Thank you, sir, for your gracious presence on this special occasion. May I also welcome Ms. Tatiana Dubovets, Lecturer of English, School of Languages at Sharda University. Thank you, ma'am, for sparing your valuable time for us. Each year lays the foundation for ideas and improvements in the year to come. The coming year is promising and defining too. This past year has been very eventful, with many ups and downs which are a part of every school year. We have initiated a lot of activities this year, like the summer camp, orientation day for the parents of our tiny tots of pre-nursery, the newsletter, introduction to the French language, dramatics, spoken English classes, activity clubs, activity days Saturday, etc. We try to incorporate suggestions given to us by our parent community so that together we can work for the betterment of the children. Each year lays the foundation for ideas and improvements for the year to work. This coming year is promising and defining too, so it is time to move on. We have made some small achievable targets for the coming year through which our plans to evolve and grow can get sustenance. The main amongst these is to increase our levels of responsibility and accountability. This is for both us and the students as well. We need to motivate our students, inspire each child to take on new challenges without being pushed to do so, to develop a mind that is curious and inquisitive and a sensitivity that makes them humane in thought, word and deed. Next year, emphasis is going to be laid on providing a workout not only of the mind, but of the soul and body too. Hence, academics, sports and the performing arts will each be given prominence so as to build in every child a well-rounded personality. Dreams are the prerogative of every child, and it is us teachers and you parents who can fulfill a child's dreams. We look forward to a long and successful association between our parent community and Rama International School. I hope that we can together create a ripple that would expand ever outwards and onwards and help to create a better, brighter future for all of our children. Before I end my address, I would like to take the opportunity to thank all the teachers, the administrative staff and the supportive staff for their unflinching hard work and dedication to the school and its students. Thank you once again.